Shafiri wa fetish of which I savage on and on the crazy name from the hood. You seen the title, you seen the thumbnail, so you have to keep in mind. So today we are rating the Fergusons family. I think it's Yasha, Mariah's in so called. Yeah, so today we're rating the Fergusons family from the least attractive to the most attractive. I'm not saying they're not attractive, but then we're gonna put them accordingly, put them in line. But before we put them in line, going to rate them each like one by one, which okay. So my rating somehow is the one that's gonna determine who's the most attractive and who's the least attractive. Yeah, boy. So without wasting more time, let's just jump straight into the video. So the pictures are gonna be here each and every time when I call, or here, but then I want to edit is I want to but then the pictures are gonna pop up there. And bear in mind which Spanish my profile picture, so we don't have time to demonstrate my colors for my best pictures. So lady number one, we have Pretty Han. I won't say Pretty Han who was already seen as a Kumawaban. So and as I'm speaking right now, let me show you something. Like as in right now, I'm on Facebook right now. We're checking them out right now. It's not like I was saving an atom. So Pretty Han, Ferguson. Okay. Okay. I love the forehead is not too much. The color tone, the body, and I'm writing everything, Annie. Yeah. But okay, I'm not sure about the shots, but then yeah, for when it comes to her beauty, I just wanna give her a 9. Yeah, boy. I'm full my next thing in. I'm just gonna give her a 9. Don't ask me why Nani has Bonella. So I'm just gonna give her a 9. Then now we're moving on to shots. Okay. Slender Makepul, okay. Okay, I'm looking at shots. Okay, the hairstyle I see is a trend. I think all of them they did the same hairstyle or what. But their hairstyle, all of them, I'm giving it a 2. They shouldn't do that hairstyle ever again. Okay, shots. I'm gonna give it a 7. Yeah, she's a slender, yeah. But her looks for me, they're like not that powerful type shit. Like they're not fighting, like yeah one. So since their looks are not that fighting for me, like what? So let me not say I wanna a lot in Maraya. Nigga 7, I wanna. So yeah. So moving to the next one. Usmo. Okay. Small, okay. Small, I'm giving an 8.5. She's also, yeah, I'm giving an 8.5. Also same hairstyle, eh? Note. Small, I'm giving her an 8.5. She's not doing bad. She's okay. She's okay. She's breathing. So yeah, 8.5. Then we move to Entle. Okay. Okay, Entle. So Entle, I'm gonna give her a 9.5. So only 9.5. Okay, now she doesn't have the 2 tones of the profile. Yeah, Entle, I wanna give Entle a 9.5. Yeah. So far Entle is the highest. We move to K with the double Y. K, okay. Slender. Okay. I'm gonna give you an 8. I don't have a resin. I'll be lying if I have a resin. I'm just gonna give you an 8. You chilled, you okay? You okay? K. I'm gonna give you an 8. K. Nah, I'm not gonna give you an AK like that. No. I'm saying I'm gonna give you an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna give you an 8. Yeah, boy. Then we move into the table. Now we move into the table. Okay. Oh, yeah. At least I wanna. Sometimes when you manage the crew or manage the squad or nenza in like yeah. Ngathi ziyangobuhle. Mangabukeki kahle wabona muzi the looks are not given ngathi nje I qualify kube squad. But then yeah, I'm gonna give her yo. Yeah, ne. I'm gonna give her 9.3. I'm gonna give her 9.3. Yeah, she's also fighting for herself, so yeah, I'm gonna give her 9.3. That's the table. Then we move to Lee. So let's see Lee. Yeah. Okay, Lee, I'm rating man, guys. Now I remember. She's the reason why I'm rating the Fergusons. Shout out to her. She's the reason why I'm rating the Fergusons. Okay, Lee, I'm gonna give you also a 9.8. I'm gonna give you a 9.8. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a 9.8. Then last but not least, it's G Ferguson. So G Ferguson, I'm gonna give you .3. Yeah, I'm gonna give you 7.3. That's how I'm gonna rate you guys. So it's it's short, and then it's G Ferguson, and then it's 22. Yeah, but then I'll try to like put them here on according to their scale, with who's where and all that, because I forgot how did I rate them, but then like yeah, I wanna just put their ratings and like how all of them straight according to me, who's the least attractive and who's the most attractive out of the Ferguson family. Yes, our Ferguson family, not Miss Courtney Ferguson's family. No, our own family on Facebook. But then yeah, if you think like there's another crew or squad, whatever, if it's boys, you can find a lady to do it. So make sure that when you do tell us who's more attractive, who's this attractive, then we'll do that. Make sure that we drop. So make sure that you do also like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you want, and we'll be on it. We're always on the chase because we are crazy, cozy type shit.